Look how close I am to it. I might be able to sell this footage to like a news organization. Look how majestic it runs. Look at those mountains. I almost murdered that bird. Oh, shoot. Who says motorcycles can't snowmobile? My luck will get jumped by a mountain lion in here. H2O. Get it from Sweet Tiddy's spring. That's a big old beaver. We saw the Tiddy back there and I just saw a beaver right here. We saw a Tiddy and a beaver. It's getting slick. So glad I'm recording today. It's such a beautiful day. I'm willing to bet by now he's had enough, so I'm gonna park. I gotta know if I can make it up that. Oh yeah, this is gonna happen. This is gonna be a very difficult climb. I don't think, well, we'll see what happens. I don't know. This is all snow, so here we go. know, Betsy, I really can't blame you. You gave it all you got. Well, this is deep snow. I could get through this if I wanted to, but I mean, I only have a little bit further to go, but friggin' rights, boys. You taking a nap? I thought we were gonna wait till we got home to take naps.
That one was like 5 seconds in the making.
Just stick it in your backpack. It's in my mouth. It's in my mouth. Oh, it really adds to the flavor of the ride. Hey, don't knock it till you try it. I hope you join me on the next adventure. Be sure to subscribe. See you guys. So we've decided to turn back, and I'm going to try to get out of the snowdrift.
His name is RacerRed. If he wasn't riding, he'd be in bed. He naps during the day. He rides his love in garage bays. Oh, he rides all night, full throttle all the time. Oh, he was born to ride. Red Racer, like, comment, and subscribe.